happened? She's what?
Jesus! Jesus!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Jesus! Jesus!
Pull up.
Shukura.
Hey, Auntie Rachael.
How far now?
Please, our sister gave us an assignment to solve at home. Please come and help me.
Yeah. So what is the name of the subject?
Just mathematics.
Mathematics?
Auntie Rachael, what happened?
Not at all. Mathematics, right?
Abi, they did not teach you mathematics when you were in school?
Not like that, oh. In fact, when I was in school, I used to have A1, B2, B3.
I know.
In all my mathematics, calculus, statistics, further math, everything. I clear it all.
Yes, so you teach me this one very well too. I will get 100 marks.
It's okay. You don't need to thank me. So, what is the topic?
It's geometric sequence.
Oh, that one. Under AP and GP.
Yes.
AP and GP, no, that one.
Arithmetic and geometric progression.
Yes, you got it. You get that one. Oh yeah, read it out. Hello, babe. Yes, don't mind me. Yeah. No, yes, I'm on my way. So is everybody there? Okay, yes, just make a nice table for me. Yes, I love that NSC, you know, I love that bonbon. Yes. So what else? What of your in-law?
What?
No one even call your children like.
What? Are you mad or something?
Hey, see wahala. That's small pikin. Go meet her for assignment, oh. Yes.
Jesus is Lord. Oh no.
Jinx say they wise.
Now wow. If I don't tell me say you don't know anything now, eh? If I don't go meet another person. See her hearing. You just carry big head like Budma solution. Nothing. Get her head.
I went to school.
Abuse her well.
Let me go and meet that security man.
Yeah!
I know say that one go better. Rubbish. Auntie Rachael Olodo.
Some people don't even know when to call.
Run.